This 2019 Entegra Coach Odyssey 26D is a Class C RV. It is located in Rancho Cordova, California, 95742 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Sacramento. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Entegra coach is 29 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleep 7, Slideout. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, rear bath. This 2019 Entegra Coach Odyssey 26D is built on a Ford E450 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.